What's up guys, I'm Gino and today we will be making the most powerful engine possible in Automation, the car company tycoon game. So I did a lot of experimenting with this and I wrote down what I did with it, so now I will show you. So you wanna do V16 with an aluminum billet block. Then you're gonna set the stroke to 120 millimeters and the bore to 94 for the family capacity. Then dual overhead cam, 5 valves, head material, that whatever the hell it was called, 15 max quality. Then you have your billet steel with titanium con rods and forged heavy pistons with a harmonic damper. This is still gonna be set to 50. Then this another plus 15. Then for the compression ratio, it's gonna be an 11:31, and for the cam profile it's gonna be a 47. Then we have the springs and lifters. It's gonna be set to 32 with VVT all cams, and RPM limit set at 8,000 RPM. Then max quality again with the turbo and quad turbo with smart boost, and the PSI we're gonna set this to a 36.26 right here, and then the turbine AR and compression trim, this is going to be set to 53 with the turbine inducer, that's going to be set to this is going to be set to the max, so 12,100 with this at a 110, yeah, and then this also 108.1 millimeters, and this also max 15. Oh, and don't forget these all to 15, the sandbox stuff. Yeah, so this stuff apply. Alright, and then we have the fuel stuff. So injection direct per cylinder, race with running on meth, and then this set to -5 to advanced, and then the fuel map is gonna be set to 19 with the quality maxed out again. And then the exhaust, you're gonna have tubular race with 79 header size and dual exhaust, bypass valves. Then the exhaust size is going to be 140 millimeters with no cats and no mufflers. And here is your horsepower number. Wait, I think I forgot to set. Okay, so this is not correct. I have a few things. So the manifold size, this was set to 89. Alright, and then I also, what else do I have? Hold on. Oh yeah, the variant capacity, you're gonna set this this to 97. Alright, and that's your horsepower number. So you have 6,319.1 horsepower. And this engine does actually fit in quite a few, like, well, it probably fits in a lot of mod bodies, and it also fits in a few vanilla game bodies, I know. So I'm gonna use a vanilla game body also for this. We're gonna use like a SUV body. So I will now meet you in the car design department. Alright, so now we're here, and as you can see, I've used this vanilla body, so it's the 2008 SUV with it. Not like, I tried with this one, and for some reason in this one it didn't fit, where like the trim right here is like in the back, and for some reason it didn't fit in this. But then I used this and it fit in here. So as you can see, I put the engine in the car. So yeah, it's a really tight fit, but yeah, it managed to fit. But you can probably fit this in a lot of mod bodies as well. Anyways, I will now design this car, and then we can go test it out. Alright, so I finished with the design of the car, but it's kind of like a Nissan Patrol ripoff, but yeah. And then all this crap. Then I also added a big ass wing in the back, and then I finished all this off. So yeah, that's that, and I guess I'll see you in BeamNG Drive. Alright, so we are in game now, and we're gonna see what kind of top speed this thing can hit. So I just tried it. It's bad, but like the gearing is like really weird. It doesn't like to shift at all. But yeah, we'll try it. And then I have my airspeed and my dynamometer also over here. So let's test it. 3, 2, 1. That dynograph is so weird. Also, I tried it. Oh my god, look at that drop when shifting. And also, I